I'm trying to shoot, I said I'm gonna show you how I install the speakers. So I got the kicker speakers right here, just unpacking them. Really nice 8-inch speakers. They come with a gray and white grill. They have LED lights, LED connections, speaker connections, and there's a remote that you use with the LED lights. You have to order that separately, so I did orders coming in next week. So today we're going to see how we can install the speakers right here. So I think that's the right spot for the speakers to go, but I gotta check how much space I have in the back. So what I'm using is the packing that the speaker came in, and they fit perfectly in it, so I'm using that as the marking point for me to install the speakers. So if you see, my speaker's gonna go, let me just quickly show you. You see, one is gonna be over there, and one is gonna be over there, and the grill is gonna go like that. So that's how my speaker gonna look like. I don't want to put too close to the curve, so it's better if I do it over here. So the next step, how we're gonna do this, we're gonna drill a hole here, and then we're gonna use a jigsaw to cut around here. So let's start that process. So I'm gonna drill a hole right here. So I got the hole right here. I'm going to use my jigsaw. So you start cutting. See how good it fits. So we need to make it a little bit bigger. We can do that. For that, use this tool, and we're gonna go right here. Okay, the one hole is good. Now we move to the next hole. So this is how I installed the speakers. They're all the way in the back, if you see, and ran the wires. I've shown you that. And then I also installed an extra set of tweeters, and that gives a nice treble to the entire music. And let me show you. I couldn't find the waterproof ones, so I found the regular ones off Amazon, and I installed them down here, so they're safe from the water. But they were really cheap, like $10 a pair. So if they go bad, I'm gonna replace them. And those are the tweeters. And let me show you my setup. What I did install the amp on top of the speaker, and it's really strong over there. And then I use these here to mount the speaker, and the speaker doesn't move, so it's nice and strong. So overall, I mean, I'm happy with this installation, and it's working really good. So that was my thing to show you guys how I did the entire setup, and it sounds really good. It's a really nice setup, and I'll probably do a video in the night where with the lights and everything you can see how cool it looks. Thank you guys. If you like this video and it helped you anyways, please like and subscribe my channel and share it with friends and families. Appreciate everything. Thank you so much.